is Malkonda, the teacher of mathematics. Today we discuss the rational number. What is meaning of rational number? The rational number is the p by q form. The p comma q are integers. Q not equal to 0. See, also definition. A rational number is a number that is expressed as the ratio of two integers. What is meaning of two integers? Ratio of two integers. For example, rational number. What is meaning of rational number? The rational number, the p by q form. The p comma q belongs to integer. At the same time, q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0. For example, see, you take any number, therefore minus 1 by 2, this is one rational number. At the same time, 3 by 1, this is a rational number. Therefore, 2 by 5, this is the one rational number. See, where the denominator should not be the equal to 0. The denominator not equal to 0. This is meaning of denominator not equal to 0. Whereas an irrational number cannot be expressed in the form of a fraction. Irrational number. What is meaning of irrational number? Root based values. For example, root 2. Root 2 is irrational number. Or root 3 is irrational number. What is meaning of irrational number? The irrational number indicates q dash. Q dash. What is therefore in the form of irrational number? What is meaning irrational number? Is a non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal. In the form fraction. Rational number are terminating decimal, but irrational number non-terminating decimal. What is meaning of non-terminating decimal? Denominator not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n. The denominator not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. This is called non-terminating. The non-terminating means irrational number. The rational number, for example, examples of rational numbers. What is rational number? Minus 3 by 2, comma 5 by 4, comma minus 2 by minus 4. At the same time, 0 by 5. At the same time, 0 by anything is 0. 0 is also a rational number. First of all, the rational number indicates q. What is the rational number? The combination of the rational number, the combination of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. At the same time, the combination of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, that is called rational number. The rational number in the form of p by q, p comma q are integers, q not equal to 0. That is called rational number. See, the definition of rational number, this is the definition of rational number. The rational number always the terminating. What is meaning of terminating? Anything by 2 power m into 5 power n. That is called terminating. For example, you see 2 by 10. 2 by 10. What is 2 by 10? 2 divided by 2 into 5. Therefore, at the same time, 2 divided by 2 into 5. Therefore, what is it? 2 means 2 power 1 into 5 means 5 power 1. This is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. This is terminating. See, 2 divided by 10 means 0.2. For example, see, therefore 2 by 10. You go to the whole division method. 2 compared to 2, 10 is big. You take the point, add the 0. 10 to 20. Elementary 0. This is called terminating. For example, see, 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is not a terminating. Why? Because the denominator, the question is the base is 3. This is not terminating. This is non-terminating. For example, see, once, therefore 3 divided by 7 compared to 7, okay, 3 to 6 by 1 compared to 3 point we take 0.0, 3 3s 9, again 1 0, 3 3s, therefore 7 by 3 means 2.33333 up to so on, that is called 2.3 bar. Bar means the number is repeated many times. This is non-terminating. 7 by 3 is a non-terminating. At the same time 2 by 10 is a terminating. The next topic is the commutative property. Already we discussed the closure property. Next, commutative property. What is the commutative property? A, under 4 fundamental operations, B is equal to B, 4 fundamental operations is equal to A. For example, see, you take whole numbers under whole numbers. What is the commutative property for addition? What is meaning of addition under commutative property? A plus B is equal to B plus A. See, you take any two whole numbers, therefore 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Yes, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 5 is equal to 5. Okay, right. Under addition is the closure property is satisfied. And with whole numbers, subtraction. What is subtraction symbol? This is the subtraction symbol. See, for example, 5 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 5. Therefore, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, that is equal to 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is the integer. The integer, no integers in the whole numbers. This is not satisfied. Under commutative property with the whole numbers. Under multiplication. What is the multiplication number? This is the multiplication number. What is A into B is equal to B into A? For example, you take any two numbers, two whole numbers, only you take only two whole numbers. What is 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. Therefore, 2 into 3 is equal to 6 is equal to 6x. This is satisfied. Whole numbers with commutative property under multiplication, this is satisfied. Go to the division. What is the division symbol? This is the division symbol. See, what is A divided by B is equal to A divided by B is equal to B divided by A. See, for example, 5 divided by 3 is equal to 3 divided by 5. Therefore, 5 by 3 is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, this is not equal. At the same time, division. What is meaning of division? Fractions. For example, 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is a fraction or rational number. No rational numbers in the whole numbers. This is not satisfied. No division symbols. Integers. Integers denoted by I or Z. See, the Z means Zolan. Zolan means counting numbers. Integers. For example, what is the property? Commutative property. Under addition. What is the addition symbol? Plus. Therefore, you take any two integers. For example, two integers means minus 2 plus 3 is equal to S. 3 minus 2. Under addition. For example, see, not 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus minus 2. Why? Because what is the addition? A plus B is equal to B plus A. See, minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 is equal to 3 minus 2. 3 minus into plus minus 2, that is equal to 1. Right? Well, this is satisfied. Subtraction. What is subtraction symbol? Minus is subtraction symbol. See, what is the condition? A minus B is equal to B minus C. A minus B is equal to B minus C. You take any two integers like minus 2 minus of minus 5 is equal to minus 5 minus of minus 2. This is A minus B is equal to B minus C. Okay, what is minus 2? Plus into minus into minus plus 5 is equal to minus 5. Minus into minus plus 2. What is the result? Therefore, minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 3. Therefore, minus 2 plus 2 is equal to minus 3. This is not satisfied. Go to the multiplication. What is the multiplication? C. You take any rational. Therefore, A into B is equal to B into A. What is A into B is equal to, you take any two integers. What is two integers? Therefore, 2 into 5 is equal to 5 into T. The result is C. Therefore, 10 is equal to 10. Okay, well and good. So, one more example. Therefore, minus 2 into 7 is equal to 7 into minus 2. Yes, minus 2 into 7 is equal to minus 14 is equal to minus 14. Okay, well, this is satisfied. Division. Division is not satisfied under commutative property with integers. Why? Because in the integers, no division, no fractions. See, for example, you take one more example. Therefore, division minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 3 divided by minus 2. See, minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by minus 2. Is not equal to, and the division not satisfied. Rational numbers with commutative property under 4 operations. What is the 4 operation? Addition. First of all, addition. Addition. What is the condition? Therefore, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Today, two rational numbers. What is the two rational number? For example, 3 by 2 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 plus 3 by 2. 5 plus 3 by 2. For example, you take first of all LHS. What is LHS? If LHS, what is C? 3 by 2 plus 5 by 3. What is the LCM? 2 into 3, 6. 6 by 2, 3. 3 into 3, 9 plus 6 by 3, 2. 2 into 5, 10. That is equal to 19 by 6. That's RHS. RHS means this is RHS. What is RHS? Say 3 into 2. What is LCM of both fractions? Therefore, 3 into 2 is 6. 6 by 3, 2. 2 into 5, 10. 10 plus 6 by 2, 3. 3 into 3, 9. Therefore, 19 by 6. Okay. Satisfied. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Under addition, the commutative property is as with rational number. Go to subtraction. What is subtraction? A minus B is equal to B minus C. A minus B is equal to B minus C. For example, you take any two rational numbers with subtraction there. For example, 4 by 2 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 minus 4 by 2. See, first of all, you take LHS. LHS means the equal to LHS. LHS means left hand side for compared to equal. Therefore, LHS is equal to, what is LHS? 4 by 2 minus 3 by 5. What is 4 by 2 comma 5? What is LCM of 2 comma 5? The product of both numbers 10. 10 by 2, 5. 5 into 4, 20 minus 10 by 5, 2 into 3, 6. That is equal to 14 by 10. Same, RHS is equal to, what is RHS? 3 by 5 minus 4 by 2. 3 by 5 minus 4 by 2. What is LCM? Same. 5 comma 2, both are prime numbers. What is LCM of two prime numbers is the product of two primes. That is equal to 10. 10 divided by 5, 2 into 3, 6 minus 10 divided 2, 5, 5 into 4, 20. That is equal to minus 14 by 10. Minus 14 by LHS is equal to 14 by 10. RHS is equal to minus 40 by 10. Therefore, finally LHS not equal to RHS. This is not satisfied. Go to multiplication. What is the multiplication symbol? This is a multiplication. Commutative property. What is commutative property? A into B is equal to B into A. You take any two rational numbers. For example, 7 by 2 into 5 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 into 7 by 2. 5 by 3 into 7 by 2. See, under multiplication two fractions, that is direct the multiplication of numerators divided by multiplication of denominator. What is multiplication of numerators? Therefore, 5 into 7 into 7 5s are 35 divided by 2 3s are 6. At the same time, 5 7s are 35 divided by 6. Okay, right. The LHS is equal to RHS. And the multiplication is satisfied and the commutative property with ratio numbers. Go to division. Division is this. What is division? Therefore, A divided by B is equal to B divided by A. You take two fractions. For example, see 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 2. 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. See, this is 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 3. The division symbol convert into the multiplication. The fraction is reciprocal 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 2 3 by 2. The division symbol convert into the multiplication. The fraction is reciprocal 3 by 2. Therefore, again the multiplication of two rational numbers. 2 2s are 4 by 3 3s are 9 is equal to 2 3s are 9 by 4. This is not equal to. Okay, under division 2 by LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS, this is LHS, this is RHS. LHS, RHS. Therefore, LHS not equal to RHS. Now go to the properties of the rational number. What is the properties of the rational number? Already we know that the properties of the rational number: one, closure property, commutative property, associative property, the role of 0, role of 1, and so on. First of all, we will discuss the closure property. What is the meaning of closure property? A plus B. You take A plus B, not A plus B. See, you take any numbers. Therefore, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational number, whatever you take, A replace of and B. For example, A, this is the closure property. Closure property. Under addition, under subtraction, under multiplication, under division. For example, you go to the natural number. Addition. Therefore, what is condition? A plus B. A plus B. For example, 2 plus 3. 2 is a rational number, 3 is a rational number. What is the addition of two rational number is? The result is also a rational number. Okay, right. This is satisfied. For one more example. Therefore, 7 plus 2. 7 is a natural number, 2 is a natural number. Therefore, the result of two natural numbers is natural number. Under addition, therefore 9. Go to the subtraction. What is meaning of subtraction? Subtraction means minus. No negative values in the natural numbers. No negative values in the natural numbers. For example, therefore 5 minus 2. 5 is a natural number, 2 is a natural number. The result, therefore the 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, right, well and good, is 3. At the same time, small number minus big number, that is equal to minus 2. The minus 2 is not in the natural number. Okay, this is not satisfied. Go to the multiplication. Under multiplication is satisfied. For example, tables like tables. For example, you take any two natural numbers under multiplication, the result is natural number. For example, 7 into 5, 7 5s are 35. 7 is a natural number, 5 is a natural number. Under multiplication, two natural numbers, the result is natural numbers also. Okay, you take more natural numbers. For example, 2 into 10. 2 tens are 20. 2 is a natural number, 10 is a natural number. The multiplication of two natural number is result is a natural number. Okay, right. Go to the division. Division means by. Therefore, what is meaning of division? 2 divided by 5. 2 is a natural number, 5 is a natural number. The result is 2 by 5. The 2 by 5 is not a natural number. No fractions in the natural number because the division is not satisfied. Close. Go to the whole numbers. Combination of two whole numbers is whole number. For example, same. like natural numbers. See, therefore 5 plus 7 is 12. 5 is a whole number, 7 is a whole number. The addition of two whole numbers is always whole number. Same time 0 plus 2, 2. 0 is whole number, 2 is whole number. The result of the addition of the under addition to whole numbers is whole number. Negative. This is not satisfied. Why? Because the subtraction, not negative values in the whole numbers, not negative values in the whole numbers, so like natural numbers. For example, 7 minus 5, 2. At the same time, the reverse order 3 minus 9, that is equal to minus 6. It is not possible. No negative values in the natural numbers because the subtraction is not satisfied in the whole numbers under closure property. Go to the multiplications. Two whole numbers. For example, 0 is a whole number and 2 is a whole number. The result is 0. 0 is a whole number. Okay, right, well and good. At the same time, next. Only you take only whole numbers. Therefore, 3 into 6. 3 is a whole number, 6 is a whole number. The result of under multiplication, two whole numbers. Under multiplication is the result is 18 also whole number. Okay. Under multiplication, the closure property with whole numbers is satisfied. Division not possible in the whole numbers. Why? Because no fractions in the whole numbers. What is the fractions? Rational numbers like by a by b, like therefore 7 by 5. 7 is a whole number divided by 5 is a whole number. The result of 7 by 5 is not a whole number. Go to the integer. What is integer? Integers means the combination of the integer indicator capital I, therefore integers. What is the set of integers? What is the set of integers? For us, you take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Towards left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to so on. The combination of natural numbers, the combination of whole numbers with negative numbers is called integers. See, integers. The addition of integers, two integers. What is two integers? 1 is integers plus 2 is integer. The result is integers under addition. At the same time, minus 1 is integer plus 4 is integer. The result is 3. 3 is also integers. Next, go to subtraction. What is the subtraction? See, subtraction means, for example, minus 5 minus of minus 7 is equal to, see, minus 5 minus into minus plus 7, that is equal to minus 5 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 2. Minus 5 is an integer plus 7 is an integer. The result is integer. Go to multiplication. Under multiplication, see, for example, minus 7 into minus 3. Minus 7 into minus 3. Therefore, minus into minus plus 7 into 3 is 21. Minus 7 is the integer, minus 3 is integer. The under multiplication, two integers, the result is integer. Go to the division. Division is not suitable. Why? Because no fractions in the integers. Only the negative numbers, positive numbers with 0 is called integers. At the same time, no fractions in the integer. The under division, the closure property with integer not satisfied. See, rational number. What is the rational number? Rational number, the rational number indicates Q. What is the rational number? See, natural number, whole numbers, integers, the total, the combination of integers, whole numbers, natural numbers is called the rational number. See, for example, under addition. Under addition, you take any two rational number. What is the rational number in the form of P by Q form? P comma Q belongs to integer. At the same time, Q not equal to 0. For example, you take a two natural number. Therefore, 1 by 2 plus 5 by 4. 1 by 2 plus 5 by 4. What is the LCM? 2, 4. What is the LCM? 4. 4 divided by 2. 2 into 1, 2. Plus 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 into 5, 5. Therefore, 5 by 4. 1 by 2 is a rational number. 5 by 4 is a rational number. The under addition, 2 rational number, the result is rational number. At the same time, go to the subtraction. Okay, subtraction. For example, 7 by 2 minus 8 by 3. 8 by 3. See, what is 2 and 3? Both are prime numbers. The LCM of prime numbers means the multiplication 2 numbers. 2 into 6, 6. 6 by 2, 3. 3 into 7, 21. Minus 6 by 3, 2. 2 into 8 is 16. Therefore, minus 5 by 6. 7 by 2 is a rational number. Minus 8 by 3 is a rational number. Okay. Under subtraction, the 2 rational number, the result is a rational number. Multiplication. Same. Therefore, 5 by 7 into 9 by 4. 5 nines are 45 divided by 28. Sum 4s are 28. 5 by 7 is a rational number. 9 by 4 is a rational number. Under multiplication, 2 rational number, the result is a rational number. Division. What is meaning of division? For example, 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. 1 by 2 is a rational number, 2 by 3 is a rational number. Under division, C, therefore 1 by 2 into the denominator of the fraction is reciprocal, 3 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 4. This.